All right, so in this lesson here, we're going to see how you can create paid plans and how you can add clients under these paid plans. So they will pay you a monthly subscription that will go directly to your Stripe account and then automatically paid out to the bank account connected to your Stripe account. So firstly, in order to create paid plans, it's necessary that you connect Stripe to the platform. You cannot create paid plans without the Stripe integration. Once Stripe is connected, you can create paid plans. So you just click this button, create plan. Here we select paid plan. We give a name to the plan. And then here, of course, we can enable or disable specific features as in the free plans. For example, let's create a paid plan with all the features activated: Google, Yelp, and TripAdvisor, one-way SMS, two-way SMS, Facebook, and Instagram. So these features are enabled. And we want to sell this plan for 100 euros per month. This currency here depends on your bank's currency. So on the currency of the bank account that you connected to your Stripe account. So the bank account that will be used for payouts. If it's a bank account in euros, it means that you can create plans in euros. If it's a bank account in US dollar, you can create plans with the US dollar. Soon there will be the possibility also to create paid plans in currencies that are different from your bank account's currency. So this plan, let's say we want to sell it for 100 euros per month per location. So I invite you to check the videos of your clients mode related to how to switch plans. So there is a video called how to switch plans related to the clients mode, where I show you the process for your clients to add location when they are under a paid plan, and how they will pay you more if they want to add more location. The video is called how to add the location paid clients. So I suggest you to watch that video. So we want to sell it for 100 euros per month per location. We want to activate a free trial. So we want our clients to try the platform first for 7 days before paying us, and with no payment method required. So we do not require the credit card during the free trial. And basically our clients during the free trial can decide to connect a payment method. So after the 7 days, they will be automatically charged and the money will go to your Stripe account. Or if they do not connect a credit card during the free trial, when the free trial ends, and they will not be charged because there is not a payment method. And so the subscription will be automatically canceled. Here we can select a custom page to redirect our clients to when they sign up for this plan. Because I will show you in a minute, when a paid plan is created, automatically we generate a Stripe payment link, which is connected to this plan here, which is a Stripe product. And once the client sign up for this plan through the payment link, can be redirected to the Stripe confirmation page or to a custom page that you can add here. It can be a confirmation page that you build on your website, where you just say, hey, thank you for signing up for our platform. You can add, for example, a tutorial video that you record where you explain to your clients how the platform works, and then you redirect your clients to log into your platform. And here we can enable or disable this plan from the billing portal. What does it mean? Basically, when we create a paid plan, this plan is visible in your client's billing portal. It means that all your clients can upgrade to this plan if they want, or downgrade to this plan. But let's say that, for example, we want to create a paid plan just for a specific client. Let's say that we have in front of us a very big multi-location business with, let's say, 200 locations, and they want to buy our platform. Of course, we do a cheap price per location for them. Let's say we want to charge $10 per month per location. Sorry, 10 euros per month per location, just to them, because they are a big client with a lot of location. They are going to connect a lot of locations, so they're going to pay us a lot of money. So we want to have a very cheap price per location. But we don't want to show this plan in the billing portal of all our clients, because we don't want all our clients to switch to this plan because the price per location is very cheap. So basically, we select this option here. So this plan is not visible on the billing portal, but just our specific client, this big multi-location business, can sign up for this plan, because we're going to send the payment link of this plan privately to this client. They sign up, and all our clients will not see this plan on the customer portal. Basically, we click create and the plan is created. And here we have the list of the paid plans that we previously created. What is different from free plans is that, firstly, we have the pricing information. So there is the price per location, and if the plan have a free trial activated with payment method required or without payment method required. But the biggest difference is the payment link. You see, free plans do not have a payment link, right? So the only way to add the clients under free plans is manually from here. So you have to go here and manually add clients. For paid plans, we have a payment link, and I'm going to show you what's a payment link. For example, let's open the payment link of this gold plan that costs 197 euros per month, 7 days free trial without payment method required. All right, we open this payment link. We see that it's a Stripe link with your brand's color and logo, so it's fully under your brand. And prospects, of course, can sign up for this plan, and it's the gold plan, 7 days free, and then $197 per month per location. And the process is all automated. So this is the link that you have to copy and paste on your website. So in your website, you will have, for example, the pricing page with bronze, silver, and gold plan. You write the features of each plan, and then under each plan card, you add a button like try for free for 7 days. And under the buttons, you put these links here, right? So bronze plan, you write all the features, and then you add a button, try for free for 7 days. And under that button, you put this link here. So who clicks on that link goes to the payment link. Let's say that someone wants to try the gold plan for 7 days. We'll click on your try for free for 7 days button, and we'll go to this page here. And here they sign up for your gold plan free trial, right? So they add their email and they click start trial. Here they will be redirected to your thank you page URL or to this Stripe confirmation page. When they sign up, automatically the welcome email is sent to them. So they receive an email saying, hey, welcome to your white label platform. And in the email, there is a magic link to log into the platform. And so they can autonomously log into the platform and start trying the platform for free. When a paid client sign up, automatically you see it here. You see, this is the client who just signed up for our gold paid plan. And here you can see the plan that they subscribe to, the price of the plan, if they have connected a credit card, and the status of their subscription, and when the next charge will happen. For example, in this case, in 7 days. And we can see if a client has not been onboarded yet. For example, this is a client who just signed up and they didn't complete the onboarding process. This is a client that signed up and completed the onboarding process, because we see their image and their business name. This is a client who canceled their subscription. So maybe they tried the platform for free, and during the free trial, they didn't connect a credit card. So at the end of the free trial, their subscription was canceled. And for each client, as you can see, there is a button to open their customer portal. You can open them on Google Maps, of course, once they get onboarded. You can send them a private email, or you can delete their subscription. So from this section here, you monitor the status of the subscription of your clients. If a client is not being onboarded yet and do not complete the onboarding process for a few days, you can contact them and saying things like, hey, do you need help with the onboarding? We can help you set you up, etc. And if you see active, it means that they connect a payment method and that they are paying you every month. In the next lessons, I will show you how you can manage subscriptions, manage payments, and monitor charts and payouts. And you will see that everything is automated. So you just create plans. You get the payment links. You put the payment links on your website. Prospect sign up. They receive the welcome email. They get into the platform. They try it for free. During the free trial, they connect a credit card. And when the free trial ends, they start paying you every month.